this demo, we're going to scrape a website content and process it with a Kudra processing platform. So to get started, we first need to create a new project in Kudra. So we head to a new project and we give it a name. Let's say call it website scraping, and then go to next. In this case, we're going to select generative templates because we're going to define our own labels that we would like to extract from the website. So to do that, we're going to use this custom extractor templates. So we're going to click on that, and here we're going to define our labels. These are the entities that we'd like to pull from the website. So let's say, for example, we have a financial news website, and we'd like to extract all the product names mentioned. So we can simply write down product names and give a description to the model to know what to extract. So for example, extract product name mentions. Next, we'd like to extract people's names. So people names. So we're going to say extract people names. We'd like to extract also organizations. Let's say we'd like to extract also events mentioned. Extract events from the website, and so on. So let's go ahead and press next. So that's enough for now. And here we're going to just save the project. So now we're going to use actually API to call this project, and we will scrape the content of a website and feed it to Kudra to process it. So to use the API, you can actually click on these three dots here and click on this preview API code. So this is the API code that we're going to run. So all we have to do is click on this copy API code and then go to our script, and we're going to input the Kudra API code inside. So this is the scraping script that I have developed. So the first step is basically this function that will scrape any URL that you give it. So it takes URL as an input. The second function is our Kudra API code that we have copied. So this is the API code. And the third part is the URL list. So here you can have a list of websites. So I have only just one website, which is the financial news here, talking about GameStop in this case. So we just put the link there, and then we have a for loop here. So in case you have multiple links, it will go over through the links one by one, scrape them here, and then put them in a folder. This is very important. So we store the content of the website in a folder. If that folder doesn't exist, we're going to create it. And then we're going to save a text file within that folder. And then basically we call the Kudra API, which will look at that folder and basically process any files inside that folder. That's pretty much how the flow works. So we're going to go ahead and run it now. And so right now it's running. So it's basically scraping the website. After that, it's going to call the Kudra basically API, which is this line here. And then basically it will process it. So the file has been uploaded. So we scraped the website, we saved it in a folder, and then we processed it with Kudra. So the file is already processed. So if you go back to Kudra here, you'll see that I actually used a different project API, but it's the same thing. So we can see that our file has been uploaded and all the entities extracted. So the product mentions here, GameStop stock, people name mentioned. We have some organization name and events mentioned. So that's pretty much how it works. So if you'd like to automate this with an API, the first step is to create a project, copy, paste the API code into your script, and then run it. It's really that simple. That's it for today. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be very happy to answer any questions. Thank you.